So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drops on drops, according to CICELY.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. So today I am going to go ahead and get my car together. I want to get it nice and cleaned out and organized. So I figured I'd take the next hour and do a power hour. I know typically those are spent on the inside, you know, cleaning up the home, but y'all know I like to keep it fresh and, you know, switch things up a little bit. So I'm going to go outside and show y'all how I was able to clean and organize my car and just show you some different things that I use to make the organization process fun and easy. So if you want to see how I tackled organizing my SUV, let's go ahead and head outside. Y'all, I was so excited to be a part of this collab because my car needed a scrub down immediately. So the host for this video collab is Live, Love, Laugh with Jen. So make sure y'all check my description box so you can see all of the content that everyone else did for their power hour. So I just wanted to start off by giving my car a deep scrub on the outside. The broom handle that I'm using is interchangeable, so you can put different pieces on it, and this came from the Dollar Tree. It's definitely been useful. So once my son and I finished on the outside, I went ahead to the inside and removed all of the trash. Can y'all believe all this mess was in the door? Don't tell nobody. Look at that cute picture of my son, y'all. I was so excited. So after we got the inside cleaned out, we just went ahead and opened up this cleaning kit. I'll be sure to link it below. But it was very useful because it comes with pieces for every part of the car. Right now, I'm just using the scrubbing brush that it comes with. It's made of steel, and I was able to use this on so many parts of my car, like the steering wheel, and then different parts like the gas pedal and the brake pedal. So I wanted to move along and clean out the middle console. Comment down below if y'all middle console is organized or does it look anything like mine. So, all right, y'all. Once I was able to pull it all out, it was time to vacuum. And I think the best part about this cleaning set was that it was pink. Y'all know I love pink and black. And it also came with this cute little vacuum, which made it easy to go ahead and knock out this deep cleaning at home and save money and not have to go somewhere like to a gas station or a car wash. I was able to do it all on my own. This vacuum comes with a super long cord. I have an SUV, so it was able to fit all over the cord, and it just all over the car, excuse me, and it plugs into my little port, like almost like where the cigarette lighter would go or a charger. That's where it plugs in. So you guys can just go ahead and watch my process, and I'll be back when it's time to do some organization.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional, it fills me up, it's out of control, oh baby, I love the rush, it overflows, it's out of control, I'm in love, I'm in love, yeah, I'm slipping away, yeah, just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze.
So as y'all can see, I'm using some LA Awesome and then this pink cloth, which was a part of my car cleaning kit, to get all of the stains out. Can y'all believe how dirty the seat covers were? Oh my god, it's the worst. So this is another thing that comes in the cleaning kit. I love those little bottles because it makes it easy to not waste a lot of cleaner, and you can have it portable. So when you're on the go, if you need to clean up something, you have your perfect amount of cleaner in the car with you. It also comes in this nice little organization bag that you all will see later. All right, let's hop into this middle console. Alright y'all, so if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is CICELY. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I enjoy posting content such as this. We like to do recipes, organization, and hauls, and I just wanted to encourage you that if I can get through life with sickle cell anemia and hospitalization, you can get through life with whatever may come your way. I would love to have you stick around and enjoy the vibes and just become a part of ATC gang. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and start adding some car accessories. So right here, I just took the time to organize some of the essentials that we need for the car. If you are still here thus far in the video, do me a favor and pop this emoji on the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video thus far, and now we're gonna go ahead and get ready for the review. Thanks for watching, y'all. All right, y'all, don't forget to check the link down in the description box so you can see all of the other ladies' content and see how they spent their power hour. If you happen to want to shop for the products that I used in my car, you can go ahead and check out my description box and I'll have everything linked for y'all. I hope it was helpful, and if you're organizing your car, let me know any tips that you would suggest that I may not have used. And one video at a time, we are going to erase the stigma surrounding sickle cell anemia. All right, you guys, until next time, be blessed.
that, share, subscribe, do that for CICELY. Till the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY.